Hey, welcome back to Chef Pup's Kitchen. All right, today what we're going to be making some baked chicken. Baked chicken breasts. Okay, very simple recipe. I'm going to be using my new Samsung AI oven, which I just got a couple of days ago. Haven't cooked on it yet. And I'm also going to be using my temperature spikes to insert into my chicken breasts. You can, if you don't have these, you should have one of these. All right, so you can check along the way. All right, and I'm also using a Blackstone all-purpose seasoning. This stuff is gold, very gold. And also, you're gonna need a mallet and a plastic gallon bag. All right, so without further ado, I am going to have to flatten these chicken breasts out a little bit. All right, I want to tenderize them. All right, so we get one in there. Let's get the second one in. Try to remove as much air as you can out of the bag. All right. I'm gonna leave a little bit open so air can escape when I'm pounding. All right. So, and here's another trick for you also too, if you don't know this. You can use a silicone mat. I have a towel here. All right. There you go. Stops it from sliding all over the place, my cutting board. All right, just a little tip. So, what I'm gonna do now, not much I have to do. I just want them to get all about the same, thickness. And you can look at them and you can tell. Doesn't take much pressure to do. And that looks about right there. And that's all it takes. I'm gonna remove these chicken breasts out. All right. Let me get two more in there. All right. And, you can bake these. You can serve them with anything that you want to serve them with. Rice, vegetables, or don't do it. My cat's trying to jump up over here. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. All right, guys, I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. I have to get her, stopping her from jumping over here. So I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. I'm sorry about that, but I had to get her down because she wanted to jump over here. All right. We got that. I think this is going to be the last one here. Maybe. Yes, and this is the last one. Doesn't take long to do this. All right, so basically that is done. All right, can't use this bag anymore. So I do have a garbage can thing here, but I don't have a can for it. This is my new island. All right, we just got it yesterday, and we had to build it. It only took us about 5 hours, but that's okay. So just put that in there for the time being. Okay, so with my new oven, it came with this basket. This is what it came with. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, get them laid out here. All right. All right, so I'm gonna wash my hands because we're gonna season next, but I am going to wash my hands, and you guys don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Okay, so before I season it, what I wanna do, I just wanna go around and poke some holes in this chicken. All right, so that seasoning can actually penetrate when it starts to cook in the oils, we'll get down deep into this chicken. All right. Huh, we got a customer here. All right, it's time for you to get down. Sorry about that, everybody. Sorry about that. She's back up again. I know what I gotta do. So, guys, don't go nowhere. I'll be back. I'm gonna have to stop her from doing this. So, y'all guys, don't go nowhere. All right, I had to put the other part of the this kitchen island down so she can't jump on it. It gave me a smaller to prepare my food at smaller space, but it's okay. She cannot make that jump, but she's gonna stand over there and look at me. I know she's mad, but I have to cook this meal for my family. All right, so that's all said and done. Get rid of this fork. Okay, now what I'm going to do, we're going to season. All right, I love this Blackstone seasoning. Give it a nice, generous. Out the way. So I'm gonna finish seasoning all these chicken breasts, and I'll be right back, guys. Don't go nowhere. All right, I have the chicken completely seasoned on both sides, but I'm gonna let them sit and let them absorb that seasoning into the poultry. All right, but this is the new AI oven that I just got the other day. But this oven here is pretty cool. It even has ambient lighting on it, and you'll see that in a moment. You know, it's what do you call this? Induction top. It's coated, you know, so no scratching, no nothing. Easy cleanup, you know, because when you get that glass, you know, it just makes a mess. So I'm gonna turn the induction, the oven on. So here's the ambient lighting, and I just choose how I want to cook. So I am going to, let me see, we got convention bake, convention roast. Do I want to roast them? I have a lot of options that I can do here. Convection vegetables, broil, air sous vide. This is pretty cool. Keep warm, bread proof, dehydrator, self clean, steam clean, and back to bake. All right, I thought it had an air fryer in it, but this model doesn't. All right, so I'm gonna go with convention bake. Or I can go with convention roast. You know, I'm gonna go with convention bake. All right, and I'm gonna let this oven preheat at 325 degrees for about 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna take 15 minutes. And all I have to do is press OK. Convention bake. OK. Tap start. All right, it says tap time now. I want to do for 15 minutes. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 15 minutes. Okay. And there she goes. She even has a nice exhaust fan in the back. Nice exhaust fan. All right. So I'm gonna let this preheat for 15 minutes. It'll let me know when it's done. All right. So y'all guys, I'll be back. Don't go nowhere, because we're gonna get our eats on. All right. I set this convection bake to 350. All right. So like I said, the chicken breast, everything is good to go. All right. But remember, I did put it on a pan here. Okay. So any drippings, I ain't letting it drip in my new stove. All right, so gotta almost open it. Set a rack, close it up. Cook time. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go for the longest cook time. So, what I am going to do, I'm gonna set it for 2 hours, but it's not gonna take 2 hours. All right. You know what? I'm gonna set it for an hour. Come back in an hour, flip it. All right, that's okay. Okay, and she's good to go. A little bit complicated to use. You know, I'm still trying to figure out as I go along. All right, so let me get some pot holders here, because I definitely gonna need some pot holders. Pull that out. All right, so without further ado, guys, I'll be back when this chicken is done, and we'll take it from there, because we're gonna get our eats on. All right, so be back. Don't go nowhere. See you soon. All right, what I did. I have a little less than an hour left on the cook time, but what I'm going to do, I got some unsalted melted butter here, and I just want to coat each top. You don't put no salted butter, because, excuse me everybody, because it's a lot of seasoning in the seasoning that I did use, the Blackstone seasoning. I really need somebody here for animal control, keep them off my island when I'm cooking. And she's back again. And she's back again. All right, guys. Give me a second, because I'll be right back to finish this up. Oh, that wasn't bad. So she can't jump now, because I got rid of that part again. She did it from the beginning. Oh, there's going to be some good eats here. I can tell you that. So I want to do the other side also. All right. My cat Skittles, my mother's cat Skittles, is still trying to make this jump, but I'm blocking her. As you can see. I used 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Melted it down. Get it nice and coated. And she made the jump, as you can see, everybody. And once again, she has to go. Her name is Skittles, my mother's cat. Okay. So I'm gonna put these back in the oven and let them finish cooking the rest of the way, and then we're gonna get our eat on. So y'all guys stay with me. Don't go nowhere. Hey, all right, welcome back. Okay, these chicken breasts are done. Internal temperature is 165 degrees. And here I go again. No, you're not jumping over here. No. Okay, so let's get the cut into one of these puppies here. All right. Oh, look at that. You want my happy dance? Oh yeah. It's damn good. If you like this video, excuse me. Just want to savor it. But if you like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell, tell your friends and family about Cooking with Chef Puff, and I will welcome everybody and everybody to my kitchen. All right, so without further ado, I definitely will see you guys on the next video. All right, but we'll get more in depth into this oven, and among other things, and I will see y'all guys later. So, peace, bye.